How to fix Instagram not showing new posts easy and fast. Hello guys, welcome to this new brand video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not showing new posts easily and fast. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After that, all what you have to do is go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll all the way down until you find Instagram, and when you find it, all what you have to do is click on it. Now click here on force stop and then go down to the storage. Right here you need to wait a few seconds. It will start computing the data number that you have, and when it will finish, then all what you have to do then is very simple and easy. Just click on clear data and clear cache, and then turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again, then reopen Instagram, and the problem must be fixed.